Anyways, guys, we're going to be in our new location in just a moment. So we're going to take you around and let you see what's going on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We're super excited.
And terrified at the same time.
Dave's terrified. I'm not terrified.
So, looks like we're almost done. TV's gone. Xbox gone. Couch is gone. Upstairs gone. We're leaving the TV for the next people. Hammock gone. Oh, let's go in here for a second. Guest room. Some of y'all stayed in. Looking like an Airbnb. Gone. Yeah. Seems sad. It is. The office. All my photos. All that. The boards are gone. Camera equipment's gone. The desk remains. This is what we're working with right now. Unfortunately, we had to leave the old humble abode to greener pastures, I guess, but I'm dirty. And it's been a long month, so thanks for bearing with us, being patient and all that, because I haven't uploaded a video since Zemo. But the Zemo video, it's gotten a lot of comments, pretty awesome. So I will do a part 2 to that, because we're gonna celebrate with some Zemo steaks, you know what I mean? That's right, Zemo. Das ist nicht ein Metzger. Anyways, guys, we're going to be in our new location in just a moment. So we're going to take you around and let you see what's going on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We're super excited.
And terrified at the same time.
Dave's terrified. I'm not terrified. It's just a lot going on. New job on the horizon, possibly, as long as we get all of our contract stuff done. I'll be on the German side instead of the American side. So I'm a little nervous about that. And it's happening the same time we have to move. It's just a lot of moving pieces.
It is a lot of stuff going on.
Lots of moving pieces.
But we will be in greater spirits once we get the dogs over here. The dogs over here, honestly.
And the dogs, yeah.
Mm-hmm. So
absolutely.
Stay tuned. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. What? I don't know. Rising up in the clouds. Take my clothes to a chance. Look at this. Barbecue stuff's going over there. Front door. Guest bathroom. Heather's office. The living room. With a fireplace. Can you open that door? Nice. The biggest heater I've ever seen in my life. Outside, just an entire deck. See that? It's pretty dope. I won't even show you all the way out there. Yes, I will, right? Yes, I will. Go this way. This comes with it. Back there's a shed. Has a whole bunch of tools in it. Look at that horizon. Pretty. Right. Door leads to the back. Privacy curtains. Dartboard's going over there. Heather's there. Dining room area. It's pretty too. And that's the first floor. We're gonna run over here onto the kitchen. Pretty nice. Nice island cooking style, right? I'm out of here, going downstairs. This is another door. Look at this, easy entrance. It's pretty cool. Now we have neighbors, they're looking at us. It's cool. They don't know me, I don't know them. Look at these pretty stained glass stairs. Let's go down them. Sneaky. Whoa, lights. Let's go down. Whoa, see? That's me. Watch your stairs. Washer and dryer. Sink. Miscellaneous things. That is the water heater room, also known as storage. Then we come in here. This is gonna be our walk-in closet / Dave's gonna put some things on the wall area. There. We're gonna look this way, just to look inside there. Look how huge that is. That is the owner's carpentry shop. Over here, bedroom section. So you got this long wall for the bed. And then curtains that lead outside so that the boys can go in and out. And it's paved too, so I'm gonna feel better about that. Then, over here, in this corner, is a very small office, but I'm gonna make that work. I'm gonna make it work. And then over here, another bathroom with one of those open planned showers, urinal, regular toilet. What up? I like it. Awesome. I think that's all we got. Then we just come back around this corner, go back up the stairs. And that's what we have, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is our new market, our small market in our new area of living.
Excited.
Got a couple things, got some stuff, some special for Kathy. Your regular Cokes and stuff, and then our, what are those things called? Flammkuchen, yes. But yeah, this is our new stomping ground.
Around. Show them the baker eye.
Hold on, let me spin you around. Hold on, let's make a picture. Start there. All right. This is a real bakery right there, but it's only open in the morning times. And then Karlstahl Frisch Mart is the actual local grocery store, right, Heather?
Yeah. It's exciting. New beginnings.
And I'll take you in there some other time. Right now we are pressed for time. Time waits for no man. 2 times, right?
2 times.
Time's up.